Nitric runs two processes inside the containers. One is written in Go. That's the one we write. And that just does the translation between the cloud of choice and the actual code. And then there's your code. And people are like, oh, is that going to slow it down, introduce latency? The answer is yes, if you're writing in Go, very slightly. It adds a tiny bit of latency. If you're writing in almost any other language, it's either negligible or it actually speeds it up, which found was quite funny. Python in particular is significantly faster running with the Nitric front. And we found it was because the Go libraries we're using were more efficient at managing HTTP connections. So it was able to pool and manage the connections more efficiently and then talk to the Python code using gRPC. And that just turned out to be a lot more performant. So there's some really interesting implications of using Nitric for some languages where I get this unintended performance boost.